I recall being a young boy with my two older sisters and our parents putting us in the back seat of the old car headed to Grandma's house. And we were hardly out of the cul-de-sac before we were squealing, "Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" By the time we hit the freeway, those squeals of delight were pure frustration because we're not there yet and it's taking too long. Sometimes the journey is just too long. Your audience are like us kids in the back seat. You're the driver taking us on the trip. In Message Builder, you will learn the tricks and the tools, the structure necessary to lay out the plan to get us to the destination with everyone intact and engaged. Know that if we cannot keep their attention and make the journey easy for them to know where they are and where we're going, they'll be saying, "Are we there yet? It's taking too long." Look forward to seeing you in our next workshop.